Good day, everybody. Welcome to today's video. Today's video, we're going to go down the rabbit hole with a tool that can be your best friend and your worst enemy at the same time. So let me explain. I come to a situation where I'm going to hang my fender flare again. There's no access to get behind. So this situation, we're kind of hooked. Last time around, I just welded some nuts in the hole. Well, that worked, but they ended up seizing up too. So I picked up this kit. You may refer to it as Rivnuts or nut certs or whatever somebody wants to refer to them as. I'm going to use 5/16. What you do with this tool that's in this box is that you thread it in, make the hole big enough that this goes through, and it actually crimps this fitting and locks it in tight. And what I mean by your worst enemy is that over time, if you don't use anti-seize and your nut is seized in there, or your bolt is seized in there, I should say, and you go to remove it, what happens is that this nut cert will just spin freely, and then you hooped yourself. So this is the tool right here. Pretty straightforward. All your dies that it came with. That's basically how it is this nut and this piece right here. So when you go to change it, this sleeve slides down and you disconnect it, remove this top nut, exchange it out. We got our nut certs basically. So you hold it open, it's like that. Then you want to thread it down, because when you go to close it, it's going to crimp. So let's open it up. Let's thread this 5/16 in. Now we're ready. Thread it up a little bit more. I need to put another one in there, but you got to make sure your hole is right so it'll go. And you want it to roughly be the same size. This one's, I could probably just die grind that one out just a little bit. You don't need to go crazy, just enough to make it fit. I'm gonna give it a little bit more. There we go. There you have it. Rivnuts nut certs are in place. Good to go. I got both the tool and the Rivnuts off Amazon for a very reasonable price. And as you can just see, it's really easy to do. So if you have any questions or comments, post them below. Otherwise, I want to thank you for watching.